Hi, today I'm reviewing Xiaomi 12 Lite and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here we can see notification, ring and alarm sections. Just to change them we should tap here, and after that we should select one from this available sounds. If you want to change the volume of the media, ringtones or alarm, you should hold and just slide to the left or to the right side this just volume panels. In sound assistance section we can adjust media sound in multiple apps, to use multiple audio sources, to allow speaker sound, and to use the wireless microphone. Just to use these options we should turn on and turn off the just this switchers by click it. If you want to activate silent mode or to silence media in silent mode, we should turn on and turn off the switchers here. By the same way, the don't disturb mode settings, we can set the schedule of the don't disturb mode, the start and the end time, to repeat it, to use it when our device is locked, to notify about the calls and notify about the repeated calls. If you want to use vibration for calls or vibration in silent mode, we should also use the switchers. To use haptic feedbacks here, we should use these switchers, and just to change the level we should slide this volume, this panel to the left or to the right side. And in additional settings here we can turn on and turn off the dial buttons, tap sounds, screen unlock sounds, just screenshot sounds, uninstall and deleting sounds, charger sounds, and the start up sounds. So just we should use the switchers by click it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.